Welcome back, Superhuman. I have another exciting tutorial for you today. Today, we'll look at how we can test different chatbots and AI models against each other or compare their output. So, if you're using ChatGPT, maybe, or you're using Claude, maybe you want to compare the both of them, or you maybe want to compare them against another AI model before you buy a subscription, or maybe you want to do all this in one place. Again, different AI models have different strengths. Some are better with short text, some are better with long text, some are better with math, some are better with English. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that. So the tool that we're going to use for this exercise is called poe.com. So POE.com. Once you've signed up for it, it's completely free. By the way, you can get an upgraded paid version, but this is the free version. Once you've signed up, you'll get dropped into a screen like this. So what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to test different chatbots or different AI models. So Llama 3.1405B is the latest open source model from Llama that's just dropped. Very exciting. We have Claude, we have GPT-4o Mini and GPT-4o, and we also have Gemini 1.5 Pro and 1.5 Flash, which was recently released as well. So let's just say we want to go ahead and test GPT-4o against Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So let's go click here and I'll give it a prompt. A prompt I'm giving it is, I am hiring an operations manager for my company. Create an interview assignment, small typo there, to test the candidates for this role. So the task is generating an interview assignment. And let's see what it does. As you can see, it is generating an assignment for me. It has this first task along with some data, another one around cost reduction, another one around team development, communication, submission guidelines, and then there's also an evaluation criteria, which is very cool. Now, what we can do is we basically can go ahead and compare it against another model. So we can compare it against GPT-4o Mini, which is a smaller version of the model that we are currently using, or we can go ahead and test it against something like, let's just say, Claude 3 Haiku. So I'll just go ahead and click on Claude 3 Haiku and see how it does. Claude 3 Haiku is Claude's smaller model. So there you go. It gives us a case study assignment, also describes what the company does. Um, in the other output, the first question had some data that we had to analyze. This one doesn't. Same here. This one seems to be a shorter answer. I think just looking at this, GPT-4o's output is more comprehensive, and maybe that looks like a better option. Or I could go ahead and test this against one of the other ones. So for example, we might want to test Llama 3 by Meta. Let's see how that does. So this is running on Grok, which is extremely fast, gives you an output a lot faster. So yeah, as you can see, this was generated almost instantly. So again, the one from Llama looks a little bit more detailed. Still, I would say, sort of just at first look, the one from GPT-4 looks better. So maybe I'll go for that for this task. You might have other tasks, maybe something more mathematical. Again, different models do differently with mathematical tasks. Maybe you could even get this assignment from the candidate and run it through these models and see which model does a better job of evaluating these answers. So I hope that gives you a good insight on how you can test different AI models and different chatbots and also compare their output.